Okay, to use Snap and Read for the first time, your students will need to look for the icon, the extension in the Chrome browser. It's going to look like a little target and it's grayed out with a red dot. They'll click the extension one time and click Sign In. From here, they're going to click Sign In with Google. Now they'll need to choose their school Google account. As you can see, a Snap and Read toolbar has now appeared on the right side of our screen, and my extension is now a blue color. You can choose your options here within your extension. If you would like to change the speed or pitch of the text being read aloud, you can do that here, as well as the voice that is doing the reading. This is also where you can choose if you need to choose a native language to translate text into. You can do that here, as well as cover overlays and simplifying vocabulary. There's all types of options you can choose from. So let's look at how to use Snap and Read inside of Eduphoria. Okay, as we said, here's my toolbar over to the side. My first icon is going to be the speak icon. This is what students are going to use the most often. Once I click on that icon, it's going to change to a turquoise color, and it's going to change my cursor into a speaker. So from here, all I need to do is click where I want to start it reading.
The mall was holding a costume contest for pet owners.
And I just click again to have it stop. I can have the answer choices read.
Add the fraction of dogs and cats together.
And then just click again to have it stop reading so I could sit and not have it read too fast. So that is the speak icon. If I click it again, it'll take that off. The second icon is the screenshot reader. Here is where you can, if you would like just a portion of the text read, you can just highlight by clicking and dragging the portion of the text that you would like to have read aloud. Once you let go of your mouse, once it loads, it will read it aloud for you.
The mall was holding a costume contest for pet owners.
Okay, so you'll go ahead and turn that off. If you were simplifying the vocabulary, that's what this third icon is. The fourth icon is if you would like to translate the text. This next one is your cover overlay. So you can see as I hover over the text, it will provide that cover overlay for me and highlight the text. And then this last icon is for capturing the text. But like I said, the main focus of this tutorial is going to be this speak icon. This is what's going to allow your students to be able to have the text read aloud. And the nice thing about Snap and Read is that it does not always start from the beginning, so that if the student has to pause the text-to-speech, it will not start completely over whenever they hit start again. They will just pick up right where they left off. So if I need to start here at the end,
how would you find the fraction?
I can start right there. It will not start all the way over. So that's a nice feature. Okay, so what I would like to show you now, that's pretty much Snap and Read inside of Eduphoria. If you would like to use Snap and Read on a website or online, it has some really cool features also. One of my favorite ones is removing distractions from web pages. So as a teacher, you may decide you want to use a current events news article, and you don't want your students to have all of these distractions to click on, or even content that they may not be appropriate for them to see at their age level, but the text itself is age appropriate. And so in order to have them be able to have access to that text, Snap and Read provides a tool called Remove Distractions. So from the web page, you're just going to click on the Snap and Read extension, and you'll see Remove Distractions. If I click that one time, it will give me a nice clean article that now my students can focus on the text and the content itself instead of all of the distractions on the page. If I decide that I need to go back to the original site, I can just click Show Original and it will go back. Let me show you a quick demo of the Translate tool. I have my text, my native language, chosen to translate to Spanish. So if I click my Translate button and I highlight the text that I want to translate, As you can see now, just that paragraph is translated into Spanish. If I click it again, it will now just translate the academic vocabulary. If I click it again, it goes to the full paragraph. If I wanted all of the article to be translated, I would just select the article itself and click the translate button, and there we go. There's my Spanish version. To revert it back to English, I would just simply click the translate icon on my toolbar, and we are back to the original text.